Good afternoon. Quarter to 3 p.m. na. Kumakain na ang mga pusa ng merienda. Ito si Oreo. Panda to. Panda Kiko. Kumain na si Panda Oreo. Mga pusa na naman kumakain. Hindi sila nag-lunch pala. Itong apat, hindi ito nag-lunch kanina. Pinakain ko si Panda Oreo. Ang dalawang aso, mga pusa, hindi kumain. Kaya kumakain na sila ngayon. Quarter to 3 p.m. Si Lexter, si Carding, pati si Cardo yung kumakain. Kaya malis si Lexter. Ito si Panda. Ito si Leslie. Andy! Lang si Andy o Leslie. Akyat dito Leslie. Akyat up na. Ito si Leslie. May dalawang pusa si Leslie tataas. Kahapon, inawakan ko sana yung isa. Muntik ako kakatin ng maliit na pusa. Kaya hindi ko na lang kukunin yun. Baka kakatin pa ako. Yan si Leslie. Okay, ayun si Lexter, si Carding kumakain na. Ulam nila paksiw galunggong may halong kanin. Kanina ang ulam ni Panda Oreo, lechon paksiw ulam nila. Leslie. Yan, kulay dilaw itim. Panda. Yung si Lexter. Carding. Okay. Maayong hapon. Quarter to 3 p.m. na sa hapon. Domingo. It's Mayo 5 takaron. Today is May 5. It is Sunday afternoon. Almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And the cats are eating their lunch at almost 3 p.m. Pakaon na ako mga aso kanina, wala ning upat ka tulo ka iring, wala dire. Karon lang sila nito nga. Kaon na sila lunchtime. This is their lunch at almost 3 p.m. They were not around during lunchtime. I give food to Panda and Oreo, but the cats are not around. Only Panda and Oreo eat. See that Leslie is coming up the table. Leslie is ups the table. Leslie is also relaxing. Leslie the cat is relaxing. The mother of Cardo and Carding, this one. Leslie, the mother of Cardo and Carding. Okay, Leslie is over here. Okay, Leslie is grooming his tail. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Cardo and Carding is over there eating. Eating their lunch at 3 p.m. Okay, because I love you, I like to thank you for watching. Salamat kayo sa pagtanaw sa video. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Okay. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Maayong hapon.